What's going on, everyone? This is Double Down and I'm back with another video. So I'm coming to you with a new topic. I know we always talk about cryptocurrency and this coin and that coin, but I want to switch it up today because a lot of people ask me, hey, I know this crypto industry is new, how can I get into it? What can I do right now? Not everyone wants to invest money into cryptocurrency. So let's take another approach on how people can get into the, basically to the field. One of the things is blockchain. You know how blockchain is basically the new trend. Everyone is using blockchain. All the companies are using it. Now, how can you basically be ahead of the technology curve and make money? One thing is to get blockchain certified. The reason I say that is when you're in the IT field, there are a lot of companies, current Fortune 500 companies and other companies that are looking to hire somebody with blockchain experience. The reason is because everyone is testing out blockchain and see how best fit it would be for their company. So when people are looking to say, hey, I want to change my career, what's something I can do that I can improve my current career or my current job to make more money? Now, almost every blockchain job that I saw on Indeed or Monster that I went and researched, they were offering at least 120, and the average salary was right around 160, 170K. And the highest at this time that I saw was around 300K. Previously, even with the Visa, I saw some jobs were going for 350K as well. Now, blockchain can be in any field. So if you guys are currently in the IT field, you guys can switch into something that has to do with blockchain by getting a certification. If you guys are in the legal field, you guys can get blockchain certified or get to know, exactly what companies are using which, kind of familiarize yourself with cryptocurrency and going to cryptocurrency law. Because just think about it, once companies start, getting into blockchain, getting into cryptocurrency, they're going to need legal help. They're going to need to know what the terms are, what the contracts are, make deals with other companies. So for that, they need lawyers, and they are hiring lawyers at the rate of 360 to 400,000 USD per year in these type of fields. So going back to IT, how can you get started? So say that you're already in an IT field. There are websites and there are also schools such as MIT that are offering blockchain courses to get blockchain certified. Now, if you guys are willing to put the time in, it might take 6 to 8 weeks or 10 weeks. But if you guys are willing to put the time in, you guys can get blockchain certified, and that's going to look good on your resume. Familiarize yourself with the company, exactly what blockchain does. Maybe read a couple books. I'll actually link a couple books in the description below that I personally read, and I believe that these are very good to get started. And also there are actually some free books on Amazon that I'll go ahead and put in the description below. So make sure to check out the links in the description. Amazon does have some free books that if you guys have Kindles or you guys have the Kindle subscription, you guys can read it for free. But if not, they're $7-8, and there are some that are $20. So you guys can start with that. Find out what blockchain is, what it does, where you can get your certification, and some courses go for around $130. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right now, exactly where some of the courses are. All right, so if you guys go ahead and just Google how to get blockchain certification, you guys can see there are a lot of companies that are offering blockchain certification. So if you guys go to any one of these sites, especially obviously the trusted ones such as MIT, Oxford, they have 6-week courses entirely online to get your certification. So 6 weeks online, 12 to 15 hours per week, and then they have flexible schedules. Once you guys start getting these certifications, you guys will actually be ahead of the curve. So let me see, there is another one right here. So here's another one, $129. It's 6 hours. You get basically lifetime access. It's self-paced, and the exam is online. So you will go ahead and get basically a certification saying that you are a certified blockchain expert, and that adds a lot of value. Some of these companies are big Fortune 500 companies. So if we just Google what companies are looking into blockchain, we have American Express, BBVA, you have Oracle. These are all huge Fortune 500 companies that employ a good part of the workforce right now. So if you can imagine, once they start getting into blockchain, they're going to stop hiring some of the other fields and then start taking more people into blockchain. Now, if you guys have the certification, you guys are well ahead of the curve. So, what's to say that they're not going to hire you because you've already been in the game and you basically started before everyone starts getting on that train. As you see, you have Alibaba, MetLife, Facebook. I mean, the list goes on. IBM, Goldman Sachs, Apple, Amazon. So these are some of the biggest companies that are looking to hire people. And you guys could, go to Indeed, go to Monster.com, go to the job board websites and just type in cryptocurrency, type in blockchain. There are hundreds of jobs that are starting to appear, and that's basically the way the trend of the market. And I also would like to add in that technologies like this, they are basically a wave. They stay for a good bit. Once companies start to invest their money and they start to implement these technologies, they're here for a good bit till something way bigger comes down the line. For example, say blockchain right now, blockchain technologies is the new wave that companies are getting into. What companies are going to do is, this is basically the testing phase. People get into it right now, and more companies start to develop it, more companies start to adapt this technology. This phase is going to stay there for, I would say, next 10, 12 years till, again, something new comes along. So if you guys get into it now, you're pretty much secured a decent job to a well-paid job for the next 12 years, since you guys are getting into an early stage, and you guys also will not have a lot of competition as you guys are getting in early. And if you guys are making money, it's based on how many more certs you do, how fast you move up the chain. So the faster you move up right now, new people come in and take your spot, and you guys just keep making more money. So that's one thing that you guys should think about, getting in early on a new technology that is here to stay for the next decade or so. What I'm saying is, there are other ways to make money in this new emerging field other than just investing your money. You guys can make a small career change, or if you're already looking to make a career change or you're fresh out of college, start exploring these ideas of blockchain and how to get certified and start learning this stuff. Again, I hope this helped some of you, thinking of maybe a career change or wanting to get into this field. I know a lot of people have been asking me, hey, right now I don't have the money to invest, but I do want to get into the field. This is a perfect way to do that. Again, please do your own research, and don't forget to check out the links in the description if you guys want to get started. I'll put some books there. You guys could check them out, read them on your own time, and maybe make a decision to go in this career path, and it'll help you get money and invest back into the crypto game. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to talk about something else, please leave a comment in the description below, and I will get to that. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.